Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And I'm making this one real quick, just to answer a question that a lot of y'all asked me in my last Note 10 video. Should you buy the Samsung 45 watt super fast wall charger for 50 bucks? Or should you just be happy with the 25 watt fast charger that came with the phone? Let's find out. Now I got two dead Galaxy Note 10 Pluses, both of them set to fast charge. Let's see which charger is the true shit shower and shave charger. Now I'm gonna pause the video, set everything up, grab a timer, and let's see what it is. All right, so here's the difference in size. This is the 45 watt, this is the 25 watt. We're gonna put the 45 watt on the left, 25 watt on the right, 30-minute test. Now on a side note, keep in mind that fast charging is not meant to charge your phone from 0 to 100. It's meant for a quick charge. So we're gonna see which one charges faster in 30 minutes. All right, so we're approaching the 10-minute mark. Now let's see how fast you could charge a dead Galaxy Note 10 Plus with a 25 watt charger and a 45 watt charger in 10 minutes. Now my money is on the 45, but let's see. Here we go. Let the hype build up. All right, since we gave the 25 watt a head start, let's see. Now this one is at 21%. And with the 45 watt, 29%. So it's a little bit faster. So let's mark that down. 45 watt, 29%, and 22%. Now, I'm keeping score on a little bootleg score sheet. So we're gonna tally this up. I'll see y'all again at 20 minutes. All right, so now we're approaching the 20-minute mark. Now just to recap, the 45 watt charger was at 29% after 10 minutes, and the 25 watt charger was at 22% after 10 minutes. Here we go. Now let's see if it's a major jump. Get those Birdman hands rubbing together. Make your predictions. I say 38% for the 45 and 33 for the 25. Let's find out. Here we go. Okay, 43%. Okay, let's mark that down. 43. And the 45 watt, 53. All right, 53%. Okay, so let's recap. I know this is fun. After 20 minutes with the 45 watt charger, you're gonna get 53% battery. And after 20 minutes with the 25 watt charger, you're gonna get 43% battery. So that's a difference of 10% for 50 bucks. Now let's see, 30 minutes is where it's gonna be, really count. All right, so I'll see y'all at 30 minutes. All right, so this is it. This is the main event. We're approaching 30 minutes. Now think about this for a second. With the 45 watt fast charging brick, you can charge your phone from 0 to 53% in 20 minutes. Let that sink in. That's half your phone's battery in 20 minutes. That's not even shit, shower, and shave. Depending on what you ate for lunch, that might be just shit. You don't even have time to shower and shave yet. 20 minutes for half of your phone's battery, that's incredible. But on the flip side, with the 25 watt charger, 43%, that's almost half in 20 minutes. These phones are insane. All right, so let's get ready to go now. My prediction is this. If the 45 watt charger is even 1% over 60, it's an automatic win. Now, if you got 50% on the 25 watt charger, that's a win too. Here we go. All right, 25 watt charger after 30 minutes, 64%. 64%. That's incredible. Now, 25 watt charger, 45 watt, I'm too high. 45 watt charger after 30 minutes, 75%. 75%. Ladies and gentlemen, the proof is in the pudding. Now, is that worth 50 bucks? All right, for 65 to 75%. So 10 bucks. Is that worth 50 bucks for an extra 10%? I would say no. Why? Why spend 50 bucks if you could charge your phone from 0 to 60% fresh out of the box? Why spend 50 bucks for an extra 10%? Doesn't really seem worth it. But in the name of science, now I said I wasn't gonna do this, but in the name of science, let's go another 10 minutes. All right, let's go another 10 minutes and see if we could get 0 to 100% in 40 minutes with the 45 watt charger. Let's let that sink in one more time. 31 minutes, 67%. 31 minutes, 77%. So basically, it's a 10% difference. But let's come back in 40 minutes and wrap this up. All right, so we're approaching the 40-minute mark. Now look, the test is already over. If it was me and my money, I would not spend $50 on the 45-watt charger to get an extra 10%. Remember, 0 to 30 minutes, the 45-watt charger charged it to 75%. That's incredible. But the 25-watt charger that came in the box charged it from 0 to 65% in 30 minutes. So it's only a 10% difference. Is that worth $50? In my book, I would say no. But if you like me and you bought the Samsung bundle and you got it for free, hey, rock out. But if you got $50 to spend on Samsung.com, get yourself a nice case. Put it towards some Galaxy Buds. Get something else. It's really not worth it. Now look, let's see. Let's get to 40 minutes. Let's get to 40 minutes and see. Now, if this charge is 0 to 100% in 40 minutes, then I might eat my words. All right, so all of this right now is just in the name of science. Here we go. 40 minutes, 25-watt charger, 82%. Let's write that down, 82%. And the 45-watt charger, 91%. Hold up, 91%. So the baseline is still going. Basically, it's a 10% increase. All right, so this is science right here. All right, this is actual real world testing. If you spend $50 on the 45-watt fast charger, it's going to charge your phone an extra 10% faster in every 10-minute interval as opposed to the 25-watt that came in the box. I don't think that's worth it. Honestly, I don't think that's worth it for $50. Maybe $25, yeah, but nah, $50, no. It's not that much of a difference. So I'm gonna do one more test. All right, let's get to 50 minutes. So this will be under an hour. 50 minutes, it should be guaranteed both phones should be charged to 100% in under an hour. Let's see. All right, so this is it. We're approaching 50 minutes. Now, if everything keeps going the way it's been going, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus with the 45-watt charger should be guaranteed at 100% because it was at 91% after 40 minutes. And with the 25-watt charger, it was at 82% after 40 minutes. So this one should be at around 91 or 92%. Now, keep this in mind. Generally, phones tend to slow down after they reach the 30-40 minute mark. But I don't know, these Samsung phones, they be charging, all right? Not fast charge, this is charge. Here we go. Now look, my guess is 100% on 45 watts and I'd say 91 on 25 watts. What y'all think? Pause the video and guess. Here we go. All right, 50 minutes, 25-watt charger, 90%. 90%. Oh, look at this, 100%. 100% at exactly 50 minutes. All right, 100%. So let that sink in for a second. If you buy the 45-watt fast charger, you can charge your phone from 0 to 100% in exactly 50 minutes. But think about that. Is it worth $50 when you could charge your phone from 0 to 90% with the charger that came in the box in 50 minutes, 0 to 90%? I would say the 45-watt charger is not worth it, but it's sick. It's sick. But it's not worth it. It's only a 10% difference. So basically, matter of fact, before I wrap this up, I'm gonna actually sit here and monitor this one. Let's see exactly how long the 25-watt charger takes to reach 100. Now we already at 100, so let's see. All right, so we're getting ready to reach the 1 hour mark, and I want to show y'all something. Now remember I told y'all most phones tend to slow down after fast charging for about 30 to 40 minutes? Well, with the Galaxy phones, you're gonna get the same thing, but they slow down after 50 minutes. Now with the 45-watt charger, who cares? After 50 minutes, it's already full. Now remember, the 25-watt charger out of the box was at 90% at 50 minutes. Now it's only at 96% after 1 hour. So now you see that slowdown took place after 50 minutes. But who cares? After 50 minutes, you already had 90% battery. Look, let's break it down one more time. 45-watt charger, 25-watt charger. After 10 minutes, 22% on 25 watt, 29% 45 watts. 20 minutes, 53% and 43%. Now, this is where the test should really end. 30 minutes. All right, that's the Shit Shave cutoff. 30 minutes. With 30 minutes in the stock charger that came with your phone, you're getting more than half the percentage of battery. 64. That's excellent. And with the fast one, an extra 10%. That's not worth 50 bucks. But just for fun, 40 minutes, 91% and 82%. And like I said at the beginning of the video, if you got an hour to kill, you could basically charge your phone from 0 to 100% in 1 hour. Now, 1 hour passed. Yeah, we only at 97%, but that's 1 hour and 1 minute. That's basically 100%. That 3% ain't gonna make it or break it. Anyway, so to fully recap this, I would say save your money. Don't buy that 45-watt charger. Now, if you could get it for free with the bundle, jump on that. But I wouldn't spend 50 bucks on that. I'd rather get a dope case, put it towards some Galaxy Buds, or put it in your pocket, take it out and spend it somewhere else. You seen for yourself. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this video.